You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Despite the ongoing exchange of strikes between Israel and Iran, Asian stock indices showed positive dynamics at the start of the week. Chinese retail sales data exceeded expectations, but markets reacted cautiously. Traders apparently do not anticipate a blockade of the Strait of Hormuz, as such a move could draw the U.S. into a direct conflict. The escalation of tensions has become an unwelcome backdrop for the upcoming G7 summit, where sharp discussions on trade issues and U.S. tariffs on allies are already expected. The U.S. dollar strengthened against major global currencies, reflecting increased demand for safe haven assets, although it later gave up some gains. Investors are concerned about the risk of broader conflict in the Middle East, particularly regarding potential disruptions in oil supply. Despite the recent strengthening of the dollar, analysts are unsure about the sustainability of this trend. Much will depend on the outcome of the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting and clarification of U.S. trade policy. Meanwhile, risk-sensitive currencies such as the Australian and New Zealand dollars also saw modest gains. After a sharp 7% jump on Friday, oil prices remained volatile on Monday. New missile strikes on energy infrastructure have heightened fears of supply disruptions, especially if transportation through the Strait of Hormuz is affected, a route that handles up to 20% of global oil shipments. Despite these risks, markets have not shown signs of panic so far, relying on the potential of Saudi Arabia and other OPEC members to increase output. At the same time, Chinese refiners, dependent on Iranian crude, may be forced to quickly seek alternative suppliers. Gold prices climbed to nearly a two-month high, reflecting increasing investor concerns about geopolitical instability. The conflict between Iran and Israel, combined with uncertainty surrounding the Fed's upcoming decisions, has boosted the appeal of precious metals. Gold broke above $3,400 per ounce, and analysts are watching for a potential test of the $3,500 level. Market participants are also closely monitoring the Fed's forthcoming announcement, with expectations of a possible rate cut starting as early as September amid slowing economic activity and moderate inflationary pressure. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.